When's Kakhulu? Lot of these niggas they talk about you. When's Kakhulu? The beauty on your
Welcome to another exciting episode of Dua Online. We're chilling here with another young blood, another young warrior, another young artist. He's come here to tell us about who he is. That's the first version of himself. He gives us good vibes, electric vibes. I get that energy from this young man. He's going to introduce himself and tell us more about ubuku bakhe, imvelaphi yakhe, nenjongo zakhe nefuture yakhe, and how he plans on smashing future yakhe and leaving his mark on it. Young man.
Yeah.
Son.
Yeah, I'm good, bro.
I'm good. Still Nabani, tell us about yourself.
Yeah, my name is Tito. Original, I was born in Cape Town. Yeah, ngikhulele ekhaya elitsha. Yeah, life a bit tough for umjita. Umjita always siphuma ku situation ezininzi, but we managed to ukuthi siphume kuzo. Esikoleni sifuna ukwenza into sifuna ukwenza sithi sifuna change something that besisuka kuzo. Yeah. So ndisuke from Cape Town to 07 ndathunyelwa from Tito nayo ukugqibezela isikolo primary Kakhulu kuqala. Then ndafunda khona. That's why I started music khona.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Then around 2008 November 2007 I was introduced to cousin yami kuthiwa Tix. So yeah, Tix wene studio endlini, but yeah, the man ngiyovakasha khona amajita kyale, but I only managed ukuthi okay, I can do this. I feel lento rap. Just that incwadi about at the same time ndafika ku mic. Then I started to do music there. But uTito umjita alright, but waqala from long time from music, esenza music wayefunde by Midlands. Midlands bensense marketing. So ndafumana umsebenzi ndazophangela apha Eastern Cape. Apha eMthatha. Ndaphangela eMthatha na eJoburg, Durban. Most of the places apha Eastern Cape. Mostly bensemthatha, Qumbu, around Qumbu eMthatha. So bengisebenza njalo music like ndawuyeka because kumsebenzi ufuna usisinto etafeni. At the same time I was writing while bendiphangela. Kuthi lento ayikasuki egazini still. I was writing. So I quit emsebenzini because of the companies ne shing. Yeah, so can't kwazi. So ndazi apha eQuwa qoma ndirelaxe ndingahlali by again. Anke ndirelax apha ngicabange banza buyela esikolweni okanye sakuqhubeka nokuphangela. So I decide myself, okay man, buyele esikolweni next year man esikolweni do upgrade so that I can have my backup because asikwazi urapper esikolo singa naso ekugqibeleni. If we can't achieve that, we can work to achieve that. Kuthi ningasebenza, I have my own equipment ndiyenze lento alone and I can do that. I'm still young, I'm still fresh. While now I'm just recording now to prepare my future. It's to prepare my future. Kuthi future be right, nam be right, but no, I'm focusing on esikolweni. That's why I came at Jahab. Jahab is very, very inspiring to us. Because we take everything so seriously now because life is too short at the same time.
Big ups to Jahab, big ups to life.
So Jahab is a cool thing when I think because my sister there even writing a trap.
Wow.
My sister there. Because I teach her, okay, you can do this. I only rap. It's okay. Oy mamela, but ka so itula into itulwa ngaba bantu famous, which means now you can do this. How good kuculo kanye urap high in the rap and okay. Bala indo. Then she did, bro. She did, but and exams are but ngifuna focus ngokubhalwayo kunto zesikolo so that I say right in the right time then akwazi record. That's why ngicela umuntu makamanage ixesha lakhe ele studio ixesha lakhe elo life. Because isikolo it's a lifetime. But umculo sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. Sometimes you have to push again.
Okay, wow. Like, man, it sounds like you live music. You're alive in music. Since it's that way, it sounds that way, it feels that way. Gawusixele ngesingle yakho ozosiperformela yona, like the first thing you're gonna perform for us up at Jaha.
My first single in a story phakathi.
Wow, tell us about it.
Yeah, because this story is about this girl. And this girl about upper elokishini, she's fine, she's beautiful, she's pretty, but elokishini, they know her. They think they know her better, but they don't know her better. So abanye bathi hayi umhle ndiyavuma but hayi usuka kubani. But we don't take ourselves ukuthi thina sisuka phi. When I almost come ngayo xa ujonga wena apha eBhek senisuka napha. We only take 2 girls. So this one siye sancokola into better yelo hlobo because abantu bazi judgmental kwabanye abantu. So sancokola hayi why abantu benjudge, why abantu sithi, and abantu bathi ngawe, you understand? They talk about our past, but we don't make a future with Bible. This is a future now. So that's why ndithi wenza kakhulu, because she give me lento ifunayo, which is naye imenza happy at the same time. Yes, so we stories about it. It's about Londo, and she's packed too. And she's packed and boobies and wenza kakhulu serious. Kukhona line ethi ungumangcobo ndingunkunzi, which means aba bantu bathi mangcobo nonkunzi basuka from kwi-battles nge-battles baphinde babe hlale ku-one house. Sa sifunda from nakwezondo, from about uthando. So we're about deep uthando at the same time. It's a trap and it's a hip-hop.
Wow, that's interesting. That is very, very, very interesting. Very interesting. I hope you guys got that. I hope you guys really, really caught that. And you're about to stream the track right now. Wow. How can people connect with you?
I'm Tito at Facebook, guys. You're gonna catch me there. Then we can take it to WhatsApp.
Any closing words?
I just wanna say to the future rappers like us, let's not give up, guys, because we're all talented. But we must work together so that we can achieve what we can achieve. Even if we achieve, look where you're from, my man. Don't forget your people.
Ungumni kawuzithuthi.
Fellow bathi ngicela nguthangane ngokwakhe. But now Facebook bazangilandela because I can't. Bazajonga isiduko pha bathi hayi siyazalana.
Thank you, man, for coming through. It's Tito, folks. Catch him out on umculo wakhe. Check the links below. Check in with description. And yeah, let's do this. Yeah, closer for life.
Thank you.
Cheers.
With these fucking girls, but we represent. You got When's Kakhulu? Lot of these niggas they talk about you. When's Kakhulu? The beauty on your face, yeah, I know that it's true. When's Kakhulu? The ass on your back, yeah, I know that it's real. When's Kakhulu? I know you love me, I know that you do. When's Kakhulu? Lot of these niggas they talk about you. When's Kakhulu? The beauty on your face, yeah, I know that it's true. When's Kakhulu? The ass on your back, yeah, I know that it's real. When's Kakhulu? I know you love me and I know you do. I know you do. This love is true. Them niggas talk about us. They never thought about us. Effect to your ass is surprise. When's Kakhulu? You doing your tricks in my bed. You doing your tricks in my bed. You lazy niggas. You crazy niggas. My bitch is back. My bitch is fancy. I wrote this track with no hesitation. My chick is back with no many questions. I've been like that with no many action. A bigger ass with no renovations. She's been like Belle with no many fashions. Then be my guest. I know she's an angel. Woo, woo. When's Kakhulu? Lot of these niggas they talk about you. When's Kakhulu? The beauty on your face, yeah, I know that it's true. When's Kakhulu? The ass on your back, yeah, I know that it's real. When's Kakhulu? I know you love me, I know that you do. When's Kakhulu? Lot of these niggas they talk about you. When's Kakhulu? The beauty on your face, yeah, I know that it's true. When's Kakhulu? The ass on your back, yeah, I know that it's real. When's Kakhulu? I know you love me and I know you do. When's Kakhulu? I got the chick that is cool. Dala kamnandi Kakhulu. Vele she call me my boo. Vele she call that I'm true. Stengene scooter my boo. Yes, it's a kwela soy too. Our love is really true. Ngikuthanda mawuqabe neruchi. Yenkoza mawuqhake no Gucci. Ungimanqobo ndingunkunzi. Yakopo payine stuji. You are the one that I knew. You are the one that I'm feeling. You are the one that is you. You are the one that is selling. I know my ganja is true. We higher than overselling. That I'm shupu baby. That I'm tusu baby. Nina na musu baby. That I'm shupu baby. That I'm musu baby. Nina na musu baby. That I'm shupu baby. That I'm tusu baby. Nina na musu baby. See how tonight? When's Kakhulu? Lot of these niggas they talk about you. When's Kakhulu? The beauty on your face, yeah, I know that it's true. When's Kakhulu? The ass on your back, yeah, I know that it's real. When's Kakhulu? I know you love me, I know that you do. When's Kakhulu? Lot of these niggas they talk about you. When's Kakhulu? The beauty on your face, yeah, I know that it's true. When's Kakhulu? The ass on your back, yeah, I know that it's real. When's Kakhulu? I know you love me and I know you do.